I don't know how about you guys, but last year I had lots of these on YouTube. And this, and this. I can see some growing trend in relaxing and studying music. So who wants to join me in a journey of making a lo-fi beat that can make this channel groovy, jazzy and trendy? I'm gonna show you how I made this nasty track. I know that over 70% of my viewers aren't subscribed yet, so please do me a favor and click this button. This will really help to grow the channel, meet new people, make some friends, and probably make more interesting videos. So how I see lo-fi beat. The melody can be a little bit out of tune and played with more swing than usual. It needs to be soft. The main melody should be nice, and by nice I mean played on piano or similar instrument. The whole mix needs to be simulating low quality. And some say that pink or white noise can help you relax. So putting a noise into the mix and distracting it should help to achieve lo-fi-ness. Is that a word? Okay, so my idea of making this lo-fi beat is doing a cover or remix of something that people may be familiar with. And of course, I've started looking at movies soundtracks. To be honest, I only looked at one. Yeah, Star Wars again. John Williams wrote the Force theme, and it's perfect for piano remix or cover. Maybe it's a little too dramatic, epic or something, but I don't care. The melody is beautiful, and I'm going to use it. So, first of all, tempo 110 BPMs, key C minor. And let's prepare the lead melody. It's played of course on piano and it's swingy. I understand lo-fi beats that way. It can't be quantized, it needs to flow through the beat. So every imperfection is helpful, not only in sound quality. There is also another part of piano, let's call it a break, and there we have just random notes or chords from the Force theme, and as it is John Williams we have also this. And it fits. An Easter egg or whatever you wanna call it. And this is played by Logic's piano called worn tape piano. Next, the bass. Here I wanted to give some more modern sounds a shot, so trappy sounding bass in a loop through the whole beat. The preset I used for this bass sound is trap bass and it's made in ES2 synth. Of course, I could use my MPD and make some nasty drums, but this day I was lazy, so I used the drummer, which is very good tool for sparing our time. So Morris is the guy who is playing for me, and as Logic says, he does boom bap. Well, okay. The samples are from Death Charge preset, and Morris is keeping it real with complex and soft pattern, following my trap bass track. So this is the bass. Now it's time for some additional elements. I was only looking through the Logic's library, but there are a lot of options for loops and samples such as Splice, Soundly and others. Of course, you can create your own melody or pad or vocals. I wanted to try some of the Logic stuff. So first of all, processed vocal tracks, these two loops, one is untouched and the second one is chopped to match my key and idea. Next I have the sitar loop, which is also chopped. And fantasy synth for something like pad sound. Remember, if you use Logic's loops, it can change the original key to your project key, which works pretty nice. Now time for the mix. Take a look at my channel strips and you will find the way I've mixed it there. Compression, delay, reverb and the magic done by Tape Cassette 2, which is free. No third-party plugins beside the tape cassette are used here. So if you are a Logic user with no other stuff on your Mac, you can copy my session track by track, which I don't recommend. Create, play and design for your own pleasure. So back to the plugins. Piano first. Take a look at the compressor. Not so heavy and with something like parallel compression is also down here. Delay designer with the same preset on every channel, because I like it that way. Space designer, same as delay designer, because I like it that way. And the tape cassette too. Saturation, low pass, wow and flutter cranked up a bit. And the noise. This is making this track lo-fi. I am adding some noise on every track here. That's weird to me, but this is how lo-fi works. Or how I see it. Tape cassette is the only additional plugin to the bass track. And here everything is set higher than in piano tracks, just to destroy this clean bass sound. Drums, tape is also added with parameters like this. I have no idea which parameters are accurate or good or universal. I don't think there are presets like this. So what I usually say when showing my work with plugins like this, just play with it, listen and find the sound that suits your vision. Done. Synth loop and sitar has reverb and tape with same knob positioning as on piano track. On vocal chops there is also delay added. And the master track, compression and tape cassette as the final sound destroyer. And that's it. I will play the whole song now and you will be able to download the session. I'll put a link in the description. If any of you will make a beat using my tips or my session, please share your song in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time.